Hello guys, today I will show you how you can turn on Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in the Motorola G13. So we start from the Firefox. If you have this welcoming screen, just click on the zero mask and you are in the Incognito mode. But if you have any website open it, just click on the taskbar icon and go to the zero mask like before and click Add Private. That's it. The next one is Microsoft Edge. In the Microsoft Edge, just click on this taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. The Opera. Sorry, I have to pass the setup. In the Opera like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on this 3-dot icon or arrow icon, tap on the new Incognito tab, and now your history, the cookies files, the forms will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.